What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, we're prepping our cashews and our Brazil nuts for our cultured cheese.
Okay guys, I forgot to film this portion. So the other day, remember we were starting our cashew cheese. Yeah, I blended it. I blended it with the Rejuvelat, which we made. And I'm gonna walk you guys, I'm gonna do a video walking through that. But I poured maybe 1/4 cup of the Rejuvelat into the blender, blended it, boiled that jar for like 5 minutes, not even. I just heated the jar up because this is a brand new mason jar, but being that it's only staying in a jar for 2 days, it doesn't really matter, I guess, if it's super clean or not. I'm not sure, but I just did it anyway, just a real quick boil. And right now I'm boiling a dish in the cheesecloth. I'm gonna have to put more cheesecloth in there, but this dish will be for those Brazil nuts. I'll be blending it like I did this with some Rejuvelat. I'm gonna film that process, and I'm gonna film the Rejuvelat when I make the Rejuvelat. So yeah. This is cheesecloth, in case you guys are unfamiliar with it. I got it on Amazon forever ago. It's just been in my cabinet because I wasn't vegan. I stopped my vegan lifestyle. No, I'm not vegan. However, I do enjoy cooking, number one, and I do enjoy some of the vegan products, not even some, a lot of them. I just miss meat. Ha ha ha. I miss chicken. I miss burgers. I miss pizza. So I went back, and I still eat all of those things I listed, just not every day. I eat meat maybe twice a week. Sometimes I don't even eat it then. Yeah. So this is cheesecloth. I got it on Amazon, I think. Or did I get this in Whole Foods? I don't remember. It was a while ago. But yeah, I'm gonna cut another piece because I forgot I need cheesecloth for that back there. So yeah. Rejuvelat. That's not enough. You can always add more. yeah, so that's that. Yeah, today's Friday the 4th. We're gonna leave that there. So Sunday the 6th. That's also when the Kappa Caragina should come. So that's when we can actually finish this process. I don't have the Kappa Caragina. Forgot. It was years since I've done this. Fucking excited. I can't wait. All right. Thanks for watching my video, and bye for now.